morning. It's a really good morning because it's only like 7 a.m. I'm the only one up, but I wanted to make sure we had muffins for breakfast. And right now, our favorite muffins are, I found them on WeightWatchers.com, and they are, I think ours are 2 points because I put in chocolate chips. But I put in these great dark chocolate chips from Lily's, which are sugar-free. It's really simple. These things are so simple. Right now my oven is at 350 degrees and it's preheating, so let's get started. All you're gonna need is, you want a spice cake. It doesn't matter what brand, but make sure it's spice cake. I like Hy-Vee's because they're actually the lowest in point versus like Betty Crocker or any of the other ones. A can of pumpkin. I usually get the organic pumpkin, but unfortunately our grocery store was out, so we got this one. 3 bananas that have started to ripen. Obviously, this is pretty good, but if they're even riper, even better, because then they're mushy and that's what you want. And then chocolate chips. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this and you can see how it goes. Pour the whole bag in there. Bananas. And I always just break them up to make it a little easier. There's no oil, there's no eggs, no water, none of that. Basically adding in bananas and pumpkin to, I don't know the technical term for whatever that is, but it's important. Remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just winging it on these things. We're in quarantine, you know, quarantine cooking, making sure that we have good food to eat and we don't gain a ton of weight being inside. So I'm just gonna put these in the sink for now. See how unprepared I was? I didn't even have my can opened. All right, so you put the entire can in there. And these muffins, they don't taste like pumpkin. I think the pumpkin's just adding like a moisture to it. Okay, so, sorry. Got my little So I always add the chocolate chips at the end. And there's no measuring in this recipe, you just put the stuff in. It's very simple. I would say maybe I put in 1/4 cup if you measure. It's not a ton. That's all you do. Now I have my pan of 12. You could do these as mini muffins. I don't know why you would want to. So we do the full size, 12 full size. And usually I use this thing to put it in there, but it's not usually very peeling, so I'm going to try to do this a little bit better since I'm actually videotaping this. So you can see. And I didn't spray this with anything because it's non-stick pan. You can if you want, but I've not really found that you need to. I don't use any muffin papers or anything like that because, you know, this is a pandemic. I don't have that stuff. I wouldn't anyway because it's just wasteful. But that's me. Global pandemic cupcakes or muffins or whatever you want to call these. Oh, our oven is done. Yeah, I just randomly found this recipe a while ago, and my husband loves it. Actually, my family loved it. When my parents were visiting, they didn't mind eating them either. Please remember, I've had no formal training. I'm just been learning as I go. Did not come from a family of people cooking. So my recipes tend to be very simple. That's what I know. Okay, I think we're done with this for now. I'm going to use every last bit of this. It's okay if they're a little messy. But I try to make sure that they're all pretty full. Normally I do a better job, but since I've been watched, I'm feeling like pressure's on. The pressure is on. Thank God for evidence. Alright, so I'm going to clean it up a bit. Okay, so I usually go through here and just kind of clean it up a bit so that, you know, we don't have crazy looking cupcakes. I don't know why I keep calling them cupcakes. They're muffins. They're not going to have any icing on them or anything like that. I don't know. Is that what constitutes a cupcake? As icing? I should ask Google that. I don't really know. Okay. These look alright. You'll notice you have some like banana pieces still in it, and that's okay. They just add to it. You can also, if you don't want to add pumpkin, you can also add applesauce. I actually did these same muffins with a chocolate mix instead of the spice. They're pretty good. So, okay, I'm gonna put these in the oven now. So they look like, as you can see, there's one really big one right there. And then you just put them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I do 30 because our oven runs hot. we go, they're going in. Now we're clean, we're waiting for the muffin. Okay, our timer just went off. Let's check on our muffins. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's some big muffins. There you go. One way to check is you can always take like a knife or something and stick it in there and just make sure the knife comes out clean. Give you an idea. See? You're good, they're ready. So now I'm just gonna let them cool off. Hope you like them. Good morning.
Good morning.
I made you muffins.
I know, thank you. I love these, they're the best.
Your favorite muffins.
My favorite muffins. Besides you.
I was telling our viewers that I made a chocolate version.
It wasn't as good.
It wasn't as good, I think is what he said.
Mm-hmm.
He likes the spice. And you're not a carrot cake fan, are you?
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't taste like that. Because that's usually what this is used for.
This tastes like banana bread, actually, to me.
Banana bread. Can you taste the pumpkin?
Mm-hmm.
Is it strong
though? I think that's the spice that you taste out of it, but I like it because it's got the chocolate chips in it too.
Yeah, that was an added bonus. So.
No,
All right, we're done. We're going about our morning. Stay safe.